To add a drop-down menu, simply click on the text that you want to add the drop-down menu to, and then go up to Link. And out of the Link Type drop-down menu, you will select Pop-up Menu, and it'll show a list of the current links. Main URL is the link that will be applied to the actual text, and these are the items that will be located in the drop-down menu. And obviously we're not going to need those because those are just generic, so to change all those we'll go to Menu Items, and then here we can change the name of the actual items that will be shown, and then we can change the links here to those individual items. So for this I'll just quickly set it up to link to these other pages. So let's just type in About Us, Events, Members, and since this one does not exist yet, you'll have to click on one of the empty little white boxes there and then click Add Row. Now we can go ahead and add the last link in. And to change the link, simply double click on it and we will get the standard link menu here, and you can choose any type of link that you'd like. For this example I'll just use page by title. That's usually what I use in my websites. And I'll click on that to open up the selection, and for this one we want to link to the About Us page, so we'll click OK. And quickly do the same for the others. Okay, and now you can see that our new pages are added in there with the links associated with those. And now we can change the main URL if we would like, or we can delete that and just have it just plain text with no link. But for this example we want this as a link, so we'll just click main URL and then select page by title, and we'll do home page. Click OK, and then click OK again to apply that change to the text up here. We'll go into pop-up style to change how it looks. Most of these are self-explanatory, but some of the ones that could be a little deceiving would be the first one, which is called offset position. This just tells the pop-up menu where to pop up in relation to the text here. So right now it's set up to pop up on the right hand side, so that means it'll pop up on the right hand side of this box here. So most often it'll be at the bottom, at least that's the most common. So just select that out of the list, click out of that to set the value. These are pretty self-explanatory: font color and font family. This is how the text will be aligned in the pop-up menu. Right now it's set to left, so that means when the pop-up menu drops down it'll be on this side, and the text will be formatted to the far left side. And these two colors will signify what the link menu will change to when your mouse scrolls over it. So I'm just going to leave these the way they are because that's all based on preference. So you can just make all your individual changes there, click OK to apply those, and you should see the changes that you made here. Obviously we didn't change any visual aspects of the window in this video, but just keep in mind. And then we'll click OK to apply it, and now we can preview the page to see what it looks like. there's the drop down menu. Obviously I didn't change this to match the website or anything, so this is just to show how it's put together and how it functions. And I think that pretty much covers everything.